One day, a little boy sat at his table with a sheet of paper. He started drawing a beautiful butterfly, but he drew only one half of it. Suddenly, he looked at his paint bottles. Oh no, all the paints were empty. The boy folded the paper carefully along the middle line. He placed a geometry box on the folded paper and went out to buy new paints. After some time, he returned with colorful paint bottles. He sat down and opened the folded paper. Wow, he was surprised to see a complete butterfly. The two sides looked exactly the same. They were mirror images of each other.
He tried to make a few more symmetrical shapes using his color paints. Take a waste pen and remove the refill. Pour a few drops of ink on one side of a sheet of paper. Now fold the paper exactly in half and press it gently. Open the paper and look carefully. You can see the same design on both halves. This is called symmetry, because both halves are mirror images of each other. The boy drawing line of symmetry for each of the following figures which are given on the board. We can also make symmetrical shapes by cutting paper. Fold the paper into two equal halves. Cut a design and open it to see a beautiful symmetrical shape.